Go ahead, buddy.
Ready?
He goes forward. He's a trip.
Christian's funny.
Christian's funny, right?
Yeah.
What's your brother doing? He's learning how to ride the bicycle.
Yeah.
Daddy's teaching him.
And Daddy gonna teach me.
Yes, Daddy's getting knee pads for you. Daddy's going to teach you.
Ready?
What? There he goes. He's got it.
And then I flew over my bike. He's sitting down.